Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. Now we have the formula in here. So we have this one. So that should be about ln b over ln 8. Now, we need to transform this one into this one. Next, when we compare about the base, we see that number 2 is smaller than number 3. So number 3, that is about the highest. Now, we divide by 3 to the power of n on numerator and denominator. So, this one we have number 1. Now let's consider about this one and this one. So we just find about the limit of n approach to positive infinity of n over number 3 to the power of n. So we see that when n approach to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. This one will go to positive infinity. So we have infinity over infinity. So we can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one we have 1 over n. This one we have 3 to the power of n multiplied by ln number 3. So n will go to this one. Now, when n approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. This one will go to positive infinity. Number 1 divided by positive infinity, we have 0. That means this one and this one equals to number 0. We see that this one 2 over 3. 2 over 3, that is between form 0 and number 1. When n go to positive infinity, this one will have number 0. And now we have the final answer. And we have 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.